We'll guide you through how to use Trello in 2025 to manage your projects efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Trello website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your Trello dashboard. To create a new board, click the plus icon at the top right and select Create Board. Give your board a name that reflects your project or task. You can choose a background color or an image to personalize it. Click Create Board to proceed. Now, you have your board set up. Let's add some lists. Lists are columns where you can organize tasks, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click plus, add another list, type the list name, and hit Enter. Do this for each column you want to create. Next, it's time to add some cards, which represent tasks. Click plus, add a card at the bottom of any list, type the task name, and press Add Card. You can click on a card to open it and add more details like descriptions, due dates, attachments, and comments. You can also assign the card to team members by clicking Members and selecting from the list. To move cards between lists as tasks progress, simply drag and drop them from one list to another. This visual workflow helps you track the progress of your tasks. Trello also offers a power-up feature where you can integrate other tools like Google Drive, Slack, and more to enhance your board's functionality. You can find these under the Power-Ups option in the menu. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.